think with the new faces that are coming in, and I think a lot of players are at different levels, what we've got to try and do is put a plan together that gets everybody up to speed first and foremost, integrate the new players in, and also look after some of the players towards the back end of the season that need to be a little bit tapered down. So there's quite a lot of planning. So will have planning meetings with the coaches every evening, with the medics and the physiotherapists. So it's a team effort. Everybody comes in, and so the drills that we'll be doing, pretty much whatever the coaches are doing, we want to gear our players towards what the next session is going to be. We always start with some kind of activation sessions to get them going and ensure that they're ready for training, and then we sharpen it up a little bit in the warm-up. So that's our bit done. So once we've got that 20-30 minutes in, then they're over to the coaches, and the coaches are taking them into their drills.
The challenges can be very broad, especially when you're travelling away. Injuries within the camp, so sometimes you have to get a player back to their club ASAP. Just do the best you can, because you need to take the pressure off the management team, so you need to solve it before it becomes a problem for them.
If you need anything organising, then just see Amanda. She'll organise transport, restaurant you need to go to, recommendations.
Normally out 1 or 2 days before the boys arrive into camp. Always a challenge when we go abroad, because it's different cultures, different kitchens. Normally we've never been there before. This is dinner setting that we're doing right now. Loads of different salads, all freshly made. We'll change it up every day, so it's always different, something to keep the boys interested. Really, it's all about variety, making sure they're getting as much nutrients as possible, playing well and winning games.
Where you are. 3!
Come here, fans!
Get James Lawrence again! Who is it? Who is it? Oh, I'll see that. It's a railing. Yes, guys.
There's always a number of challenges that you face when you travel abroad. First and foremost, it's the heat, so hydration. So we're testing the players' hydration. We did so this morning, so we want to ensure that obviously they're starting training fully hydrated. Pretty much our work is predominantly in the mornings, and then we've got a bit of free time in the afternoons, and I think that little bit of downtime allows the players to recuperate and just have a little bit of downtime in the afternoon. It's not a case where we're on top of them every time. This has always been a bridging opportunity to try and up the fitness levels, give them a little bit of downtime, give them a little bit of freedom, but they know that when they're on the grass they're working hard.